Welcome back, guys. Now let's take a look in the gold market. Sive Morten is here with the ForexPeaceArmy.com, and on the gold market, a picture stands significantly more tricky than on the euro currency that we discussed. If on euro we have clear pattern, yes, some risks exist whether we will get it or not, whether it's will work or not, but at least it looks more or less clear. While on a gold market, it's absolutely different situation. So you can see first on the daily chart such a mess with these grubbers that we mentioned yesterday. And in fact, what we've got, we've got the bearish grubber. And this grubber actually already has completed because market created the new lows compared to this one. So it's minimum target of the grubber. In fact, it's already done. At the same time, we do not see yet the collapse. So we do not see the straightforward downward continuation. Market just stands around the same lows and keeping them. So it's probably current situation is normal just because everybody is focused on a coming meeting in Alaska. But the problem for us from the practical point of view is have the practical issue that those of you who are living in Europe will know result only on Saturday. For Americans, it will be in the late Friday, maybe somewhere closer to the end of the day. So, and this really creates very difficult background. So we have to make the decision whether we should take position here at all. So it makes it sense for just stepping in right now with the big uncertainty ahead. Would you actually like to do this? Probably we could do this if we would have some really strong clear patterns, clear points where we could hide a stop. But in the current picture, personally, I do not see something like this, anything of this. So on the 4-time frame chart, you could see what has happened. Yes, market dropped here, it stands around the same support. We do not see big breakout. Even minor hint of the divergence here is forming. But this is obviously not enough to make us make a decision on actually position taking. The same you could say on the hourly chart. Yes, we talk about the possible cup pattern. Yes, this was healthy pullback here with the possible handle, but later you can see market still returned back to the lows. We can't say that this is breakout, so market mostly stands in the same lows. And maybe, indeed some kind of the double bottom here, some surrounding bottoms, chances exist with this possible neckline right here. But this currently totally depends on results on Monday, which we can't control and can't actually predict. Maybe this will work particularly in this way if market will just jump on Monday by some reasons. I do not know what will happen. So that's why our conclusion here, probably it would be better to stay aside for now. So market was not able to use the grubber. It's not enough currently power on the bulls. Possible cup pattern also has not worked. It's just minor pullback here has happened and actually this market dropped down. In such circumstances, I think it's not quite reasonable to take the position without clear bullish patterns on your back and take it for the weekend, and especially through the particular weekend where actually will be a big announcement of the meeting of the Putin and Trump. So from that standpoint of view, we suggest that it would be better to wait until Monday and see what the direction gold will choose once the details of this meeting will be known. So that and towards what we see currently on the gold market. See you next time.